Alright, a very good evening to all my subscribers. My name is Rain, founder of Forex 100 Academy Private Limited. Earlier on, you should have received a trade ideas from Euro Dollar. I did mention it is a counter trend. I did mention that 1.1627 is the final take profit level, and this is the level I'm looking to long. It's a counter trend trade itself. However, 1.1720 is also a level that I'm looking closely to look for long opportunity. Alright, so as you can see, market has came down, hitting my target 2 before going to the price I'm looking to trade. So in my perspective, this trade is no longer active or valid. I'm looking at as I have mentioned earlier on, I'm looking for a long opportunity, and I just thought that if the market retraces at this price, it will be a good range for me to short, potential 4:1 ratio. Okay, so right now this is what I am looking at. Let me just refresh the chart a bit. Market has pulled back. Alright, this area is the area that I'm looking for a long opportunity. So I am looking to long for Euro Dollar, waiting for a retest. For traders who want to be more precise, you can certainly go to 15 minutes time frame. 1.1720 is the range I'm looking at for a long opportunity. Let me just pause the video a bit. Using events happening in my neighborhood, ice cream man seller at the bottom, plane flying by. Alright, so sorry about that. Okay, so I am awaiting for market to retest at this range 1.1729. This range itself, I should see a reversal candle that looks something like this, and of course the candle shouldn't close lower than 1.1718. Alright, this low price over here, if it close lower than that, then this entire trade is invalid. Okay, it shouldn't close lower than 1.1718. okay, so trader can certainly look for this range to look for a trade. And of course, if you are looking at 1 hour time frame, then it's about time for you to engage the trade already. After the candle has confirmed its move, it has to close at least at 1.1755 if you're using a 1 hour chart. Hope I'm not confusing you. It really depends on which time frame you're looking at, and you'll be pushing a different stop loss. Alright, so let me just get back to 15 minutes time frame. Alright, you can certainly wait for the market to come down, retest, wait for reversal. That looks something like this over here. Alright, it can look something like this over here. Alright, let me just spot a few more for you. It could look something like this over here. It could also look something like this over here. Alright, if you need more example, you can certainly go back to a few other videos. However, those are for shorting. This is for long opportunity. Alright, so you have to inverse the candle a bit. Okay, so where do my stop loss go this round? 1.1693 is the stop loss I'm looking at. 693. Alright, let me crunch the chart a bit. This is the stop loss I'm looking at. Why is that so? Go smaller time frame. You can see that there's a support over here. I'm not going to squeeze so low, but I'm using this as a reference, and I place it below it. Alright, so that is my stop loss. Later we will compare the profit level. Target 1 itself, it will go all the way from here to this price over here. Alright, so this is my target 1. And target 2 shoot all the way to 1.1836. This level over here. And my final target level, you thought that's my final, right? Is at 1.1890. Let me just move up to 1 hour chart. Okay, look at the reward is to risk ratio profile. Pretty good, right? Alright, so let us take a look. By hitting target 1 is a close 1:1 reward is to risk ratio profile. By hitting target 2 is there about a 3:1, slightly short than a 3:1. And final take profit level is more than 4:1 ratio. Alright, so that's the trade I'm looking at. I'm looking for the market to come back down to retest, wait for confirmation, went for a long. My initial stop loss is at 1.1693. That is 37 pips thereabout. My target 1 is at 1.1770, 39 pips, quite a close 1:1. Target 2 is 1.1836, 105 pips. And final take profit level 1.1889, this range over here. And that should give you 158 pips of profit. Alright, so that's all I have for you today. 2 trade ideas. You can see how I actually look for a shorting opportunity, and on top of that, I did mention it's counter trend. So right now the market has came down instead of a retracement to give me an opportunity to short the market. Market came down at the area that I'm looking for a long, and what do I see? Market attempt to retest the support. This is where I'm going to look closely. If the candle break below, close below this range, I will look for the initial lower level, which I've shared with you earlier on. 1627 will be the next range I'm looking to long. Apart from that, I'm not going to do anything on this. I am also at the same time observing other trades. Good news, if you are my fans, you are in my Facebook, Instagram, you should realize that I just captured 180 over pips on pound New Zealand. Initially, I was looking to short pretty few pound related pairs. However, after the 4:30 news, the good news is it facilitate the movement for me to hit my final take profit level. The bad news is all the trades went invalid, so I have to wait. Alright, apart from that, I am also waiting for dollar franc for a confirmation to see whether I'm going to short the currency as well. So that's all I have for you today. 2 trade ideas in a single day. Seldom I'm doing that for quite some time because I don't want to confuse you, but I thought this is necessary. So last but not least, a gentle reminder, plan your trade and trade your plan. Till then, I'll see you on the next video. Enjoy your week and have a great trading month. Goodbye.